G-E-H-R. Clark, C-L-A-R-K. Ufuna spell nalo nto futhi. Hulda akhona H-U-L-D-A. H-U-L-D-A. Hulda Roger Clark. She studied this and published like 3 books or something. Okay, fine, angikho ke lapho. Asikhulume ngento esibiza ukuthi i-chromium and copper, chromium and copper. Ikakhulukazi i-copper siyithola from amapipe amanzi lasemadala. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uyagula kodwa unento traces of heavy metal emzimbeni wakhe because amapipe la amadala they produce a lot of rust that is called chromium and copper, and then that has to be looked at by omasipala ukuthi amasipala how often do they change amapipe lawa asuke efakwe because they carrying a lot of heavy metal into our bodies. Okay, angeke ngikhulume. I don't know why i-under abantu bathi mina mhlawumbe ngoba ngigangile cha ngiganganga. Ngigcine ukufaka i-under it was 2010 ngicabanga 2010 yeah. Sibe nenkinga ngise SBV clinic kufika abantu abaningi besilisa la kuhamba khona i-under baba nokuluma okulapho noba nokujabuka. Sabuka futhi siba nokubuka kubantu besilisa abane prostate ukuthi abantu abane prostate augmented bawu-10 bonke bafaka ama-under laba bantu. Kwenzekani na? Abantu abanenkinga ukuthola abantwana kwabawu-10 bafaka ama-under futhi. Kanti yini i-under kanti inani? Kunento lapha kwi-under kufuna ngitshele yona. Lapha ku-under yazi futhi madoda emhlabeni sofa sihamba. I-under yakho it has been washed by a soap detergent that is carrying PCB chemical. That chemical abafuni ukuyisusa labantu abakhinsipho. I-PCB chemical awukwazi ukuyisusa mesisingenile engubeni. Ngalo ndlela i-under yakho because it is 20 layers and i-thick lapha it carrying lot of those traces of chemical compound called PCB chemical. Leya chemical leyana yebo salwazi kubantu besilisa it more like ukuthi yenza into esibiza ukuthi oozospermia or oozospermia depending ukuthi ubiza kanjani. Ukushoda kwama sperms, defecting of ama sperms, thola ama sperms umuntu anamakhanda awu2 or anemsile u2 yabo because leya chemical